Good morning, everybody, and happy Mother's Day. Today we're out here, me and Michelle, at a place where if you're from South Carolina and you grew up in probably York, Chester, maybe Lancaster counties, and you ever skipped school and went to the river, this was probably a place you would have gone to. If you have, you probably already know the name of the place, but this is Lando, South Carolina. That used to be an old cotton mill from way back. It was there when we were kids, but obviously they tore it down. We're gonna go and see what the rest of the place looks like. We can't walk those there together. They look like Legos.
I think you go first. That way, if anything's going to get somebody, it's going to get you, not me.
Thanks, babe.
I'm running. There is one thing I'm good at.
Don't you think these blocks look like Legos? That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Alright, so we got a big parking lot. There again, it didn't look like, that was a big building. When we were kids and we would come out here, it was a big old huge building. But obviously they tore it all down. People come out here and do their graffiti, some of which looks really cool. Some of it don't. I can hear the water roaring though.
I can hear the cicadas. Yeah, you can definitely hear the river. Which way we go?
Well, at this junction, there's like a swimming hole and a dam that way, and a railroad trestle that way. Which would you like to go to first, Michelle?
Let's go see the railroad trestle.
All right, we'll go see the trestle. As well,
notice that the path is so clear.
I was going to say, as well as the path is kept, then obviously a lot of people are still coming out here.
Really cool that the trestles are still partly here.
Right. The cross ties. That probably helps preserve the trail. See the trestle up there?
Oh wow.
So babe, you coming?
I don't know. Oh wow.
Oh wow. Let's see how daring she is. Go baby, go! Go baby, go!
I think I have a fear of heights.
Hey look, they got a swing.
I don't know.
I don't know what to tell you, babe.
I don't know. I'm not.
We're going. One
of us is, the other one's not. I can't do it.
Oh Lord.
I can't do it.
All right. Don't let me fall off. Come on.
No.
Come on. I'll back up. I'll walk with you.
No.
Come on.
I don't want you to do that. I'm
I
scared
can do
for
it.
you.
I can do it. Just don't pull me or anything. Here we go. Side to side feels a lot better. You gonna be able to make it to the end? Are you good? Or what do you want to do?
I don't know. My knees are shaking.
Well, stand here and get more comfortable. I don't want you to.
Yeah,
Yeah, back up.
Nope.
Back up.
Nope.
Great. Okay. Are you good yet?
Yeah, I'm
All right, guys. So, so I don't think Michelle's gonna make it out here. We'll walk out here. I don't quite have a fear of heights like that. So when we were kids, I don't like the balls under my feet. So when we were kids, we would come out here. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna get down here just where I feel more comfortable myself. All right. So when we were kids, we would come out here and jump off this trestle. Back then, it seemed like there was a rope ladder or something, because we could get back up. And you see, it looks like they go up the path up there and then come back around. But pretty place, fun place, good memories, really beautiful. Hey, Shell. Well, ain't that really pretty? Nice waterfall, nice little seat, relaxing. Let's come down. No, Michelle still don't want to come down. My EK7000, we're going to put it in the waterfall on the other side. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed our visit to Lando, South Carolina, a childhood memory that I'm sure many people who get to see this video will remember coming out here. And then for you guys who live far away, this is our skip school hangout in South Carolina.